Hi, I'm Brittany with Beautifully Connected. I'm a birth doula, massage therapist, and I practice herbals with the Wise Woman method. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to mobilize your SI joints during pregnancy. This can be used for people who are not pregnant as well, but it's something that I use in my clinic often to help mobilize and move around the SI joints. So the SI joints are located at the back of your pelvis, and if you feel your lower back, you might notice with your hands that there's a place that feels like a pothole in your lower back. Those are where your SI joints are located. A lot of times in pregnancy, simply because we have extra hormones in our body like relaxin and progesterone that make our connective tissues a little bit wiggly, our SI joints become unstable and they might even sublux or fall out of place or cease to move correctly. So by doing this SI joint mobilization, you can easily mobilize those SI joints, get them moving a little bit better, and then you can add some lower back tape to add a little bit more support and stability to your body and your lower back. So what you're going to do is you're going to just grab your pregnant person's knees. So if this is a husband or a partner or a friend for your pregnant person, you're going to grab their knees while they're laying on their side, and you're going to hold with one hand their lower back, and then you're going to take their knee and press it directly into their pelvis while their knee is 90 degrees. And then you're going to stretch the SI joint or the knee forward while holding them. Support them with your hands so they don't roll off the table, and you can just do this 2 or 3 times, and then that will help mobilize the SI joint. And as I said before, you can add some tape for a little bit of extra stability. This is really great for low back pain in pregnancy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Also, if you have any questions about holistic health, be sure to put those in the comments for me.